Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So, I know a lot of people in the EDC community, and that's including myself, carry a secondary blade, a utility blade. And the reason being is we carry nice knives with us, and we don't want to ruin the blades by cutting cardboard or other things like plastic straps for sheeting or whatever. We take care of our edges, and we enjoy sharpening them, but we don't want to be sharpening them all the time. And that's where the utility knife comes in. There's the Gerber EAB. I know that's a very popular one in the EDC community. This is one of my favorites to carry. I don't remember what the brand name of it is, but that's awesome. Just out the front utility blade. You have the Work Pro, which is very much a beloved, inexpensive utility knife, and probably the one that is synonymous with grocery stores. And this is the one that the type that I was issued when I first started working at a grocery store, and I've seen more injuries because of this right here than I have butcher knives and pocket knives. I mean, this is a very dangerous tool, and you're giving somebody that's very inexperienced or somebody that's rushing, trying to get the job done, and you give them a razor blade that's extremely sharper than it has to be. And the reason why I say it's sharper than it has to be is because these blades, they dull out pretty fast. So you sharpen something like this utility blade well past the necessary sharpness that it needs to be to do its job, and that's where it gets real dangerous. So down in the comments of one of my previous videos, somebody had mentioned I need to check out Slice, their utility blades. And I can't remember. I apologize, whoever made that comment. But it got me thinking, and I reached out to Slice. And I talked to somebody over there named Emily, and she's been very kind and very generous. And she sent over some utility blades, utility knives. And I am absolutely stoked by this. And I was originally going to do an unboxing of all the knives, but I really wanted to give them a fair shot before I brought them to you. And I still have two that I need to open up, but I started off with this one here. This is the mini retractable utility blade here, and it is an amazing utility blade for what it is. It's it's gone beyond my expectations. I was thinking that this was going to be no better than a plastic utility blade, but man, I was wrong. I mean, this has cut through so much cardboard and so much plastic straps, plastic wrap, and it just keeps going strong. And one of my concerns was it wasn't going to be a pointed blade. They do make pointed blades, but this is kind of a rounded blade. But it didn't stop it, and I'll tell you, cardboard boxes that meat come in, they are some of the thickest and strongest boxes that you can get, and this just powers right through them all. And I'm not just cutting through plastic. These boxes are glued shut, so we have to just cut around, the edges and rip the boxes apart. And this sure has done that. So it is made out of ceramic. The blade is, and it's actually zirconium oxide, which is the same thing as your kitchen ceramic knives, but the Slice blades here, they're actually 100% zirconium oxide. The ones that your kitchen blades are, they are have a lot of other fillers in it, so they're not as strong, and they tend to break a lot easier. Where this one right here it's not going to break very easily. Probably take the same amount of force to break this as actually maybe more force to break this than an actual utility knife. You don't know how many times I've broken the tips off of one of these blades here, or one of these here. So some of the benefits to these ceramic blades are they will not rust. They're non-sparking, non-conductive, and non-magnetic. And they're also safe up to 1600 degrees Celsius. And they're chemically inert. So they are pretty, safe blades to use in most environments. So again, I started off with this one here, and I've just been absolutely amazed by it. And one of the first things I did was try cutting myself, and it's near impossible. And that was with a brand new blade. And I mean, if I really wanted to, I could. If I put enough force into it, I would cut myself. But this is a brand new cutter, and this is a brand new blade. And if I tried that, I would immediately cut myself. And the whole premise behind this is that it's as sharp as it needs to be. It's not over sharp like razor blades here. Razor blades, like I said, they get sharpened beyond the point where they need to be. Where this right here is sharpened just to that point where it's going to cut paper, it's going to cut cardboard, it's going to cut plastic, but it's not going to cut you. And it has a different style of grind. It's more of a flatter grind, the edge there, so it's not going to be very easy to cut yourself. Emily over at Slice Products, she really hooked me up, and I've been dying to break into these, but she's also sent over a couple other knives, and I really wanted to open them up with you. So this right here is the folding utility knife, and it has, again, the rounded tip there. And let's look at the packaging. It says Slice ceramic technology, safer than traditional blades, and it'll last up to 11 times longer than a traditional steel blade. No tool blade change, and durable metal handle. As you can see, the blade number there. But it's finger friendly, never rust, chemically inert, no oil coating, which is pretty awesome. That a lot of blades come oiled already. And one of the best things about Slice is they donate 1% of their proceeds to autism causes. So, all right, let's break this one out. I've been really eager to check this one out. And if I were breaking open a regular knife right now, I'd be a little nervous trying to get that out. But let's see. You can open it, and it has a half stop there. Well, actually, like a 3/4 stop. I don't know if this is going to work. That's pretty cool. It'll cut through plastic like nothing. So that is the folding utility knife with ceramic blade. Again, like I said, it comes with the rounded tip there, and that's just for extra safety. You do have a button lock here and a belt clip. And I think, if we press that button right there, we can easily change the blade. And this is ambidextrous. It's a button lock, and I mean, want to use it like that, you can. So that is, I have the blade out. Unfortunately, I did read on the website they are not TSA compliant, so you still can't bring them on the airplane. But all right, let's check out this one. This is the EDC folding knife with Slice ceramic blade. And as you can see, this one does have the pointy blade. Finger friendly, ambidextrous, no tool blade change, and durable metal handle. And so the pointy blade is 10404, and the rounded one is 10526. If you're paying attention to that. Finger friendly, never rust, chemically inert, no oil coating, ambidextrous, durable metal handle, no tool change, lanyard hole for storage. And it's safer than traditional blades. So all the same information. Easy open. And Let's see. Oh, it's a frame lock. Pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, it's a flipper. Look at that. That's cool. Ambidextrous. Yep. I can't wait to carry this. Now, the only thing, and if Slice, you're watching this video, the only thing I would do with this one differently, if it's a true EDC, I would add a pocket clip. Aside from that, this thing is pretty awesome. Let's see. Easy blade change. That's cool. And these are just three of quite a few different utility knives that they have. They have quite a few of them. And I can't wait to try these out. So, again, if you're looking for something to save the blade on your good knives here, and you don't want to carry something that's extremely dangerous like this here. This is, again, I've seen so many people go to the emergency room just for this utility blade right here. If you have employees and you're concerned about their safety, if you're worried about medical bills, I mean, Slice has on their website some statistics of how much it costs for a laceration to, in the emergency room. And I think it said something to the fact of around $40,000 for the average laceration. Maybe not from these here, but I mean, when you talk about the emergency room bills, and then you have to go to see nerve specialists, and you have to go to other doctors, you know, for plastic surgery. I mean, it could add up. So if you're concerned about your own safety, you're concerned about your employee safety, maybe check these out. These are definitely not going to send an employee or yourself to the emergency room. I mean, obviously, if you really want to try to do it, it's going to happen. But so if you get a chance, check out Slice Utility Knives. They are well worth the money. You see right here, it is sliceproducts.com, and you can check them out there, or on Amazon. I'll leave the links down below for both in the description. Finally, let's take a look at the Slice Auto Retractable Mini Cutter in action. And as we do, I want to thank Emily over at Slice, as well as Slice Products, for sending these out for my review. I greatly appreciate it, and I can easily say that I recommend these to my viewers. They are a solid product. And to my viewers, I greatly appreciate you coming here and watching this today. I appreciate everyone. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you next time. Carry on.